I'm here to present ArVerify, trusted verification for the Arweave network. And one problem in the current Web 2.0 space, which we're all facing, is just spamming, fake news, bots, and a lot of content created by unverified users or not actual users. So we don't know if we are working with a robot or if we're interacting with an actual human. And the problem in crypto space is even bigger because we're just working with addresses. So we don't know if this address is computer generated, if it's used a lot, if it's used by a malicious person, a trustful person. And this can really be a problem if you have a customer-faced application and if you want to transport this feeling of trust and security to your customers. So basically, we are lacking trust and authenticity across the PermaWeb. And the solution we came up with is ArVerify. And ArVerify is the blue tick for the PermaWeb, as you know it from Instagram or Twitter. It's the single source of verification for the whole Arweave network. And what we're doing is we're associating human interaction with your Arweave wallet address. The current workflow is that the user signs in with his Google account, and just the fact that this address is associated with a successful login is enough to prove the verification of this user. And we're not storing any personal information with the user, with the address, sorry. So it's just the fact that that the verification is successful. Our team, we have a lot of experience in crypto and startups. We have John responsible for development and also the co-founder of Verdo. We have Jacob responsible for the design and me responsible for project management and also a little bit of development. There are two main ways to get verified. They are all very simple. One is getting verified on our own website on arverify.org. You just log in with your Arweave wallet address, you sign in with your Google account, and that's it. You're verified. But there's another way. Even other applications can implement the exact same process using our library in the application. So there's no need for other applications to redirect the users to our site if they are not verified. And if verification happens through another application, then this application will get a reward. So there's an incentive for other applications to use ArVerify and have their users verified. The responsible for the verification is the auth node. And we want the auth nodes to be decentralized. So we have to create an incentive for the community to have decentralized auth nodes. And we are doing this by giving the auth node hoster R for providing their computational power and providing the auth node. To implement ArVerify is very easy. It's just one single line of code for getting all of the information you need, and just another line of code if you want to have verification in your own application. So every developer can implement it and can get the information very easily once the user is verified. There are two main use cases to use ArVerify inside your application. One is verification-based login. For example, we have seen the pitch of ArDrive already. So what they could do is they could basically lock their login to only for verified users. So there couldn't be any network of spammers or whatever to upload any data onto Arweave. And another good use case would be verification-based features. So you could have, for example, an app which has a dashboard where you can see transactional data. And if you want to do a transaction, you need to be a verified user to make sure the same that not any spammer or any bot is doing any malicious interaction. Next, let's talk about monetization. The user pays a fee for the verification process. And the fee is set by the community, so it will always balance itself based on the demand. And the fee is also, so to say, the wall to prevent to have multiple malicious actors, because the fee is set so high that there is no real use case for any spammers to create huge networks, because the one-time payment for the fee would be too high to create this incentive. And then 40% of this fee which user pays for verification will go to the community, and the community member who will receive this fee will be selected based on the amount of stake which he has inside the community. And 60% of the fee will go to the host which provides the auth node. And also the host will be selected out of the profit sharing community based on their stake. And we're giving the host 60%. This is another incentive to have more hosts and so create more decentralization across the whole ArVerify system. If you have any more questions, feel free to reach out to me to the following contact information. I would love to chat with you about the whole idea and about the whole project. Thank you very much.